While the US markets obsess over AI hardware, the Canadian stock market is quietly seeing massive surges across critical infrastructure, cloud computing, and record-breaking copper sales. Today, we are counting down the top 10 stocks on the Toronto Stock Exchange for May 2026. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We are continuing our global market series, and today we are looking at the top 10 performing stocks on the Canadian TSX 60 for the first week of May 2026. Let's dive straight into the countdown. Kicking off our list at number 10 is Brookfield Infrastructure Partners, up 4%. Their Q1 2026 results just dropped, showing a 10% increase in funds from operations to $709 million. The real standout was their data segment, which surged 46%. Management rewarded shareholders by immediately hiking their quarterly distribution by 6%. At number 9, we have Constellation Software, also up 4%. The stock is recovering rapidly ahead of its May 13th Q1 conference call. The market is realizing it previously mispriced the company as a generic software play, when it is actually a highly diversified holding company for critical digital infrastructure. Coming in at number 8 is telecom giant BCE Inc., up 4%. BCE just reported Q1 revenues of $6.1 billion, up 4% year-over-year. They are aggressively advancing their own AI strategy, committing $1.7 billion to build a massive sovereign AI data center in Saskatchewan, while offloading their land mobile radio network to Motorola. Number 7 is CAE Inc., up 4%. The aerospace and defense trainer is seeing strong momentum as the market anticipates their Q4 and full-year FY 2026 financial results set to be released on May 21st, driven by continuous global defense spending. At number 6, we have financial holding company Power Corporation, surging 4%. Power Corporation is actively supporting its valuation through an aggressive share buyback program, having recently repurchased over $600 million in subordinate voting shares while navigating the complex valuation of its alternative and fintech assets. Breaking into the top 5 with a 5% gain is IT consulting giant CGI Inc. The stock experienced a massive rebound in early May after a post-earnings plunge. The catalyst was CGI officially earning the Microsoft Copilot specialization in modern work and advancing to the prioritized tier in Microsoft's Copilot Jumpstart program in North America. Number 4 brings us to Wheaton Precious Metals, up 5%. The streaming giant is riding a massive multi-year precious metals run, up over 57% in the last year alone. Investors are piling in ahead of their Q1 results on May 7th, backed by over $563 million in free cash flow. Entering the top 3, we have Teck Resources, also up 5%. They just delivered a blowout Q1 2026 earnings report. Adjusted EBITDA surged 125% to $2.1 billion, driven by record copper prices and sales volumes. Furthermore, they announced a spin-off of their US-focused copper assets into a new exploration company with Kodiak Copper. At number 2, enterprise software leader OpenText rips 5% higher. They just smashed their Q3 fiscal 2026 earnings on May 7th. They reported an EPS of 1,001 against a 0.922 forecast, and their cloud services segment hit a historic record, bringing in $493 million. And finally, the number 1 performing stock on the TSX 60 for May 2026, Barrick Mining, up 7%. The catalyst here is a massive strategic shift. Barrick just appointed a dedicated executive team with plans to pursue an IPO of a minority stake, holding its North American gold assets on the NYSE and TSX. Investors are aggressively buying in ahead of their May 11th Q1 results to capture the upside. From record-breaking copper sales to massive AI data center investments, Canada is proving it has the infrastructure and resources the market demands. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments, are you buying Canadian stocks right now? Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.